The Central Bureau of Investigation has unearthed a major bribery racket in Delhi's RML hospital. 9 staffers, including 2 cardiologists, have been arrested over bribery charges. The 2 arrested doctors were allegedly caught red-handed accepting bribes. All 9 have been sent to CBI custody till May 14th for further investigation. According to CBI, the corruption took place in 5 different modules. All the accused have been charged on various grounds, from supplying of stents to supply of lab equipments and admission of patients in exchange for money. Depending on the number of days, the accused also issued fake medical certificates ranging from Rs 100 to 700 to recommend bed rest. Now, all the 9 accused have been arrested on prevention of corruption and criminal conspiracy charges. Apart from 9 arrests, the CBI has also filed an FIR against 16 people.
The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested 9 people from the RML hospital on charges of corruption. Currently, we're standing right outside RML hospital from where the arrests have taken place. The CBI has suggested that these 9 people were involved in collecting bribes from patients either directly or indirectly, and also through medical supplying representatives of the companies. In fact, it's also being suggested that several bribes were taken for the cost of treatment as well. In fact, the people who've been arrested, out of the 9 people, this does involve doctors, 2 professors, assistant professors, and a nurse as well. There are nurses that also have been arrested. It is being suggested that the professor who's been arrested is from the cardiology department, and the nurse, and there are also the 2 clerks and several other technicians have also gone behind the bars. In fact, the doctors, the RML staff and persons have been charged for criminal conspiracy and Prevention of Corruption Act. The CBI FIR is stating that certain specific instances of Dr. Ajay Raj and Dr. Parvat Gunda are considered to be are the ones who were behind this. They were also using medical equipment supplied they were also using medical equipment which would further just bolster their own pocket.